A federal appeals court ordered the Trump administration to facilitate the return of a young Venezuelan man who was deported to the notorious Salvadorian prison, CICOT. It is the second rebuke over the administration's use of the Alien Enemies Act to expel migrants they say are tied to the Tren de Aragua gang. In a 2-1 ruling, the Fourth U.S. Circuit of Appeals refused to block a judge's earlier order requiring the return of a 20-year-old identified in court filings as Cristian. The panel found the administration violated a class action settlement protecting unaccompanied minors from deportation while their asylum claims are pending. Cristian was removed from the United States earlier this year despite those protections, and federal officials argued his alleged ties to the Venezuelan gang justified his removal under the 18th century Alien Enemies Act. But the majority rejected that argument, with Judge Roger Gregory slamming the administration's legal theory that Venezuela's criminal proxy network constituted a, quote, invasion warranting wartime deportation authority. Gregory wrote in a concurring opinion, quote, as is becoming far too common, we are confronted again with the efforts of the executive branch to set aside the rule of law in pursuit of its goals. The administration contended the courts lacked the authority to intervene, but 2 Democratic-appointed judges held the government to the terms of the class action agreement. The Supreme Court recently extended an order temporarily blocking the administration from deporting another 176 men to El Salvador under the Alien Enemies Act. The administration has insisted it cannot retrieve another deportee, El Salvadorian national Kilmar Abrego Garcia, despite the Supreme Court ordering the administration to, quote, facilitate his return. The Justice Department has argued it cannot retrieve Abrego Garcia now that he is in a foreign country and contends that courts cannot interfere in diplomatic activities.